Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be looking at 5 colossal pissed around tips and tricks for the CT side to make you a better player. But first guys, make sure to demolish that subscribe button and slap that like button, or Jesus H. Christ will burn down your village and all of its stock. Tip number 1, always hang on guys, real quick, pause the video. I've got to announce my new merch line. It's made only from the best potatoes at the cheapest prices, and me and my team worked really hard designing it. The link for it will be in the description below. Anyways, back to the video. Always use the USP. Whenever I'm playing the game, I'm always looking at the weapon lineup and trying to figure out the meta. When I first started, I actually used the P2000. Now that was a rookie error. The P2000 is terrible. Its accuracy is horrendous, and it hardly has any bullets. Now I recommend the USP. It just has accuracy. Here's some footage of the USP now. Tip number 2, only play Vertigo. Vertigo is known to be the only meta map in the lineup and the only one pros play. Pros who play Inferno are probably just fakes and not actually in the scene. Now this is because Vertigo actually leans itself the best to CT USP gameplay due to its large corridors and high amount of construction, which, you know. Tip number 3, play on 800 by 600 resolution. Now, you may be thinking, oh, but that's way lower than the standard resolution, and you'd be completely right. But what you don't understand is that in terms of graphics, the game actually looks better on 800, 600, because it leaves it up to the imagination to go aim train every day. If you're not aim training, then what are you even doing with your life? Aim training is everything in today's market for Counter-Strike. You need to be, hopping in death matches, hopping in custom maps, constantly shooting heads, just so you can get on your A game just for the match. Tip number 5, this is my personal favorite. Play blindfolded. You need to do a couple games just without your eyes. That's about it guys. Thanks for watching and have a good one.